What's up, guys? All right, round two. The alternator's fixed, and I got my buddy Sean out here. He is actually the original owner of the white car.
That's me.
So that's Sean. That used to be his car way back when. It went through a couple of hands. I ended up getting it. It used to be red, as you guys remember, for those that possibly check my Instagram and stuff, but he has a extremely clean DA Integra, and it is a GSR, right?
Yep.
And this thing is mint. So I'll do a little showcase on this car once we get up to the Cars and Coffee and do some nice little shots of it. But this thing is super clean. Has some Mugen MF10s, I believe those are, Willwood brakes. I mean, paint's redone, the interior is extremely clean, and it still has the original B17, right?
Yep.
It's B17, yeah, that's what it was, yeah.
Yep.
So we're gonna roll out, head that way, meet a couple of friends. The RX-7 and the S2000 that were at the Cars and Coffee yesterday, they're gonna be there as well. And then we're gonna meet a couple of friends there and have some fun. So we'll see you guys there. Tinted as well by Elite Window Tint. So they're going to do the tint on this car. I'm going to actually leave it there and then drive back with ride back with one of my buddies. But yeah, it's going to be a good day. The sun came out. It got hot now. Flames coming out of the hood exit on the car. So we made it to Spring Mills, where this is where it's at in West Virginia. But so while I was downshifting, it shot a decent sized flame. Normally you can't see the flames in the car during the daytime, but I saw this one. Would have probably been a lot bigger, but you know, daytime stuff, so you can't really see it. So man, I love driving this car. It shifts so much smoother than the BMW. Like it's a lot faster, of course, but it's something that I have a lot of time and effort into it, so it means a lot. It's like more of an emotional car. It's what made me get the channel started. Granted, you know, I get a couple views here and there, but it's not what matters. I do it because I enjoy it, and it's a fun time. All right, so we made it to the Elite Window Tint Cars and Coffee. A lot of cars are rolling in right now. As you can see, myself and Sean's cars are right here. I got an RX-7 coming along and an S2000 as well. We got a bunch of cars lining up all around the parking lot. We have a bunch of giveaways. It's gonna be a good day. So I'm gonna get some footage of the cars and show you guys a little bit of what we have out here at Elite Window Tint, as well as showcase their shop as well, because I'm gonna get my EG hatchback tinted here. I'm actually gonna drop it off and pick it up maybe in the next couple of days. But you know, should be a good day. It's nice and cool out. A little sweaty because I was setting up, but I think we're pretty good. We also have, I think it's Drexler Auto Solutions. They do wrap, so who knows? Might get a wrap too. We'll see.